But what's the purpose?
So you can get the dough out of it. Oh my god. I got high blood pressure. Hi guys, welcome back to Try with Mint. So for today's episode, we'll be having a very special guest, and she's none other than my best friend, Sydney Tang.
Hi.
Okay, so Sydney, introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Sydney.
How are you this year?
20.
20. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically for today's episode, producer, what are we gonna do?
Today, we are going to be trying out something very interesting. But before that, let me ask you a few questions first. So,
Okay.
Hui Min, how did you meet Sydney?
How did I meet her? Back in year 1. So we had this orientation camp, then we were queuing up. So I was the last person. Then after I turned behind, I saw a Cha Lian. Like I think I can make friends with her, so I became friends with her. Correct? That's the story,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
So, between the both of you, who do you think is better in cooking?
Me, obviously.
Me. Okay, what can you cook, Sydney?
I can cook anything you want me to cook.
Really? That's what she said, so later you make sure she can cook properly, okay?
So, for today, the two of you are going to try to bake a cookie without a recipe.
Cookie ah.
I have never baked cookie before.
I thought you said can do everything.
But I can try. Yeah, I'm like naturally talented.
Naturally talented. Okay, we'll see.
So, there will be a couple of ingredients in front of the both of you, and the both of you have to work together to recreate the famous cookie.
Okay,
can.
Can.
Okay, do know that you may or may not need all of the ingredients you have been given. Okay, so it's up to your creativity and like
We are creative.
Yeah, we are creative.
and your feel of like what you think you need to put inside.
Okay.
Okay, so to that, good luck. Hui Mi and Sydney, now the both of you can turn over and look at the ingredients that you have.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting.
So do you all know what is what?
This one brown sugar. This one is cocoa powder. This is sugar 来的.
Okay.
Okay, this is flour.
Okay, obviously
So,
I know that.
if you look underneath, there's a tray of utensils. Can you please help me to bring it up? So this is all the equipment that I'll be giving to you for today. So you can feel free to use any of the equipment that you need from there. Okay. So the thing is that all of the ingredients given to you all have not been measured out. You all have to follow your gut feeling in order to recreate the perfect famous cookie.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
You ready?
Let's start. Okay, so this one we just keep first because we don't need this.
We need something to like
To what?
scoop.
Yeah, scoop. Then you take it. So I feel that we don't need this because everything we just
Agak-agak.
Okay. So first we need to mix.
Flour is a must.
Okay, but you see got sieve here. So I feel that we need to sieve the flour.
Okay, I don't know. Okay.
So we need to put inside and sieve.
Okay.
Okay,
The
so
scoop.
we need to sieve.
Okay, let's make.
No need scoop. We just throw the whole thing. We need to eat everything. Okay, then you sieve.
Oh.
I thought you said you very good at cooking. Yeah, this is how you sieve. So what happens after you sieve?
I don't know.
The flour will become
Smooth.
You see, I tell you already, she's dumber than me. I think we should mix all the dry ingredients together. Then we put egg, butter, or understand?
Okay.
I guess this is sugar. So I
Then this one?
this is also sugar.
This one?
Salt. Baking powder. So you can bake.
Oh, really?
Actually, I feel that this one is a bit too much flour, huh?
After like all I've done, then you tell me? But what's the purpose?
So you can get the dough out of it. Oh my god. I got high blood pressure. So the sugar, right, tikam. You cannot pour a lot. So you just pour this amount.
Oh
Okay.
my god, I think this is like 120% sugar at
Okay.
koi.
We need to throw this also. We want to throw everything so it'll be very chocolatey. Okay, pour this amount, okay? Then stir. We do.
Maybe you might have wanted to save your cocoa powder.
It's okay, it's okay. Or you can take everything, then you sieve again.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay, yeah. So this is the dry part.
Okay, I think we need milk.
Okay, then we add that one first. Add a bit. So we just throw in the butter now.
Like this?
Okay, we add the butter. No, we're supposed to use a whisk, I think. Then you can slowly add the milk. Normally this kind you need the zoom. And then how to make? As you can see, it is too watery, it's too wet.
No, because this part haven't mixed yet.
Wait, my butter is inside eh. Sydney, you're supposed to help me.
Then
you know.
how like that stuck inside?
Can one. We have to find ways to pull it out. Hey, Sydney. I'm very good at cooking, man. I'm very good. Oh, this is very tiring. I don't know how much you add. Normally people add like 1 drip.
Really, man? 是 salt 来的。
这个是 powder 来的嘞 bro。
这个咸的。
这个不是，这个是 baking powder 来的，是不是？我就加了。Okay guys, now moving on, we are going to shape our dough. So we add flour, because it's too wet. Just add everything. No, add everything.
How? What do you mean?
Just throw everything in, then we use our hand to mix. Yes, very smart. Use our hand. Yes, you do the honor. Not bad. Okay, I think we got the cookie down. You want to do a heart, right?
Yeah. How big should the thing
Cannot be too big because when it bakes, right, it will
expand?
Yes, expand. So I'm gonna do a normal cookie first. See, we have the shape right? Oh. When you do cookie, right, it's like that.
I want to do the heart shape.
You want to do a heart shape?
Yeah.
Please have a close up of her heart shape. So, first we have Sydney's head. What are you making?
Flower.
Oh. Okay, you see your flower is...
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Yeah, it's cute, it's cute. So this is Sydney's head.
I'm gonna make Hui Min.
Okay guys, so now we are done with our
Beautiful.
cookie, as you can see right here. So now we have heat up the oven and we are gonna bake it for like 10 minutes and see how it goes. If it's not, you know, cooked or not baked. If it's not baked, then we're gonna leave it in for longer. Okay, so we have our cookies now. Are you excited to try?
Yes, it smells very good.
But let's see first. It's rock hard eh? Okay, so
Try like your hair.
is it legit? Never mind. Your face.
No, oh my god! Like no taste one.
I think we add. You see, I tell you we should add a lot of sugar just now.
I think it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's damn bad, guys.
Just like there's
So
no taste.
bad. A cookie that has no taste is not bad. Okay. So do you like it? Your first cookie baking attempt?
Yes. I think we can do better next time.
I think there will be no more next time. We will burn out the kitchen. Okay, so basically for me, I feel that baking cookie without recipe is very hard, right?
Yeah.
Because we don't know the measurement. Then we just anyhow add. Because if we add the milk, butter, then too wet. Then we add the flour, then we forgot to add the sugar, then become like this. So yeah. So next time we will, you know, watch more, you know, all these baking videos so we can make nicer cookies. Okay. Next time we'll make Famous Amos cookie. Are you confident?
What is this cookie?
This is the Sidmin cookie.
Okay.
Okay guys, so that's all for today's episode. Remember to follow us if you haven't, and also like and share this video to your friend. So do you have any last word? No? Okay. Then see you guys next time. Bye! You wanna do?
Just now you still said I never do properly or and now you're lazy already, then you ask me to do, you think I don't know all.